Hi, I'm Jamie Boss. Welcome to our shop. In this video, we're going to be talking about the different techniques in bending sides. It could be a side for a guitar, could be a side for a mandolin, could be a side for a violin. Doesn't make a difference because the bending techniques, for the most part, are going to be the same. The bend that is usually made first is going to be the waist because that's critical. Once you've made the waist, then you can determine how much, make sure that you know how much overhang that you've got on both ends so you're not going to end up too short. So in this case, if I put my pattern in, we can see right here that I have enough meat right here and I have enough right here that is going to give me the excess I need, so I'm very safe in terms of how I bent this piece of wood. You might find that there are a little bit of burn marks or little charred areas on the aluminum. Spray the water on it and it'll just take it right off. Put my rag back on. Recharge it a little bit. And what I'm going to do is something a little bit different. I'm going to line up where my waist is. I'm going to put my finger where the bend should start to come down this way, right there. And with my finger right there, I'm going to center it and just work it down. And again, we can't press too hard. And I bring this around and I'm right there. So I'm just going to take a minute, move the camera in so I can show you exactly how it follows the mold around. Okay, so I'm going to push the waist in. We can see the waist right here is fully in. As I push this around, this part from here to here is right up against my form. So once I push the waist in and I bring this around, knowing that is in the correct position, as I bring this around, a light pressure is going to take the spring back around. I'm fine all the way around here, all the way to the waist. So the net result is I have a little bit of spring back, but that's okay because as this goes into the mold and everything gets pushed into place, this will be fine. But when I bring it up and I hold it against the form all the way around, we're in good shape. Little bit at a time, little more, little more. There we are. Take this off. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on with spring on one side, bring it over, put this spring on it here, then I'm going to pull it towards me and little by little bring this down until it stabilizes right here. Make sure it's nice and tight. Good. I'm going to pull these off. Don't need them anymore. Now you can see if I didn't have this bolted to the or clamped to the bench that we would have a problem because I'm putting a lot of pressure on here. I'm going to bring my spring up and bring that over. Let it sit for a minute. Bring it down a little bit more. Let it sit for a minute. A little bit more. A little bit more. And we're down. Okay.